Amsterdam is a vibrant city with so much to offer, especially when you're short on time. The Amsterdamcitycard is your key to an unforgettable experience, providing access to top attractions and efficient transport options, making it easier to explore diverse neighborhoods and immerse yourself in the local culture. To get your Amsterdamcitycard, visit any official sales point or online platform. This card unlocks the city for you, offering free travel on public transport and admission to over 70 museums and attractions. It's an essential tool for maximizing your adventures in Amsterdam, saving both time and money. The Rijksmuseum is a must-see when in Amsterdam, showcasing the rich cultural history of the Netherlands. With your Amsterdamcitycard, you bypass long entry lines, allowing you to appreciate stunning masterpieces by legendary artists like Rembrandt and Vermeer. It's a highlight that enhances your cultural experience in the city. A canal cruise is an iconic way to explore Amsterdam's picturesque waterways. With your Amsterdamcitycard, you can seamlessly board a cruise that offers a unique vantage point of the city's stunning architecture and vibrant neighborhoods. This relaxing journey enriches your experience while enjoying the charm of Amsterdam. The Van Gogh Museum is a treasure for art enthusiasts, housing the largest collection of Vincent van Gogh's works. With your Amsterdamcitycard, you can easily access this remarkable museum, where you can immerse yourself in Van Gogh's life and artistic evolution, making it an unforgettable highlight of your visit. Vondelpark is Amsterdam's largest and most popular park, offering a peaceful retreat amidst the city's hustle and bustle. It's an ideal spot to relax and recharge after a day of exploration. With lush greenery, picturesque pathways, and charming ponds, Vondelpark invites you to enjoy nature's tranquility. The Heineken Experience is a must-visit attraction for beer lovers, situated in a historic brewery. With your Amsterdamcitycard, gain effortless access to this engaging tour, where you'll learn about Heineken's brewing process, enjoy interactive exhibits, and even sample fresh beer, making it a memorable experience in Amsterdam. To maximize your 24-hour adventure with the Amsterdamcitycard, start early and prioritize top attractions. Plan your route wisely using public transport and check opening times. Keep an eye on any special discounts and be sure to relax and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of Amsterdam as you explore.